I am Vivek Singh and I will be taking your classes for Indian economy. I have done BTech in Computer Science, 2004 pass out from Indian Institute of Technology, BHU. After that, I did job for around 5 years in software industry, and then in 2010 I did executive MBA from Ahmedabad. I have worked with Adani Group for 4 years as a business analyst, but then in 2014 I left my job to follow my career in teaching. I have a strong passion for teaching. So since last around 10 years, I am guiding UPSC aspirants in Delhi. So mostly my teachings have been in Old Rajendra Nagar, which is basically the hub of UPSC preparation. In the last 10 years, I have guided thousands of selected students and toppers. Now let me tell you something about PrepLadder. PrepLadder is not just a platform for preparation, rather it is a complete plan for your success. It is going to provide you question bank, test series and lectures. So it is not just only a preparation resource, rather it is going to help you in end-to-end preparation of everything whatever UPSC requires. And in my personal opinion, I believe that what I like the most about PrepLadder is that it has taken the best teachers, best mentors from Old Rajendra Nagar, which is basically a hub of UPSC preparation, and it has brought them on a common platform. So what I believe is the aspirants who are going to prepare for UPSC, they are going to get immense benefit from these best mentors who are now on one platform, PrepLadder. Now let me also tell you something about my teaching style. I am known for my simplified way of explaining economy to UPSC aspirants. I can teach the economy, this subject which most of the UPSC aspirants think that it's quite technical. I have taught students in one of the most simplified way. To understand this subject, you don't require any previous knowledge. You just come with a fresh mind, and I guarantee you that whatever UPSC asks in prelims, mains, interview, you will be able to understand each and everything completely without any confusion. I focus more on conceptual clarity, and then I start building on current affairs on that. So because see, this is quite technical subject, and without having proper conceptual clarity, it is very difficult to understand even current affairs, because in UPSC nowadays there is a lot of focus on current affairs, but just mugging up the current affairs is not going to help, I understand. So first what I do is I start building concepts from the very basic level, from the scratch level, and then we go to advanced level, and then I integrate all the current affairs whatever is going on with the classes. So you don't require separate current affairs for economy. As you all know that it's a very dynamic subject, but all the current things in economy must be integrated with the subject, and it should be read with the course rather than separately. So this course I have designed, these lectures have been designed in such a way so that once you attend this, you'll be able to understand the conceptual, static and current affairs part also. Now, one problem which I believe that students face in economy preparation, that what book they need to study. So for them, I have my own book on Indian economy 5th edition, and this book has been designed in such a way so that if the students are attending the classes and following the book, then they will not face any difficulty, any confusion regarding any resource. So come join us on PrepLadder platform, and we guarantee you complete UPSC preparation in the most simplified way. Thanks.